where your product has encountered these problems in the production process. At new product development stage, the product has not been produced and not sure whether it can be produced. Mold opened but lacking a machine to test. Product sample has not been produced. Order is still uncertain. Purchasing machine is a little bit earlier. You are afraid of idle. Mold is completed, but dare not send the products to customers without machine trial testing. TAYU Helper Hero help you solve all these problems. Helper Hero Professional Mold Trial Testing Center provide professional service to your new project. One of the largest factory-grade vertical injection molding machine mold trial testing center. Full coverage, clamping force from 12,600 T, gram weight from 30,000 G. All the requirement. Full series, all kinds of standard machine, slide machine, rotary machine, two-color machine, high-speed machine, full electric machine, LSR liquid silicon machine, BMC machine, new energy machine, all the kind. Factory level services, from mold making to automatic equipment matching, from technical cooperation to project development, from drawing design to product physical molding, all the need.